I ask you, my dear brothers and sisters, how many children did Zainab become an umbrella for? What qalb did Zainab have in the way that she protected the grandchildren of Rasulullah? Ruqayya kept on saying, I want to see my aunt, my father. Yazid was awoken. When Yazid woke up, he said, what was that sound? I heard the sound as if someone is screaming. They said, it's Hussein's young one. He said, what does she want? Said that the soldier said, wants to see her father. He said, very well then, let her see her father. They placed the head of Abu Abdullah in a box. Allahu Akbar. They placed the head of Abu Abdullah in a box. And they took the box towards the ruins of Sham. When that young girl saw that delivered, she said, Auntie, I didn't say I was hungry. Why have they bought me something? She said to her, Ruqayya, remain calm. At that moment, she removed the cover of the box. She saw the holy head of Abu Abdullah. And she called out, Abba ya Hussein, man alladhi aytamani ala sighari sinni. My father, who's made me an orphan at this young age. Then the following line, what was it? My father, who's drenched your beard with all that blood. The arrow ripped his mouth, blood everywhere. And then she said, Father, who severed your head from your head. Father, who is there for these ladies after you. Then all of a sudden, what happened? Pin drop silence. Imam Zain al-Abidin looked and said, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. I ask you all a question. How many times did Zain al-Abidin have to say Inna lillahi? How many times in my life, I might say 10, 20, in one afternoon in Karbala? At that moment, Imam Zain al-Abidin said to Zainab, he said, ask please. She said, what? He said, ask the nurse to come and wash her body. Zainab alayhi salam went to the nurse. She said, do you mind washing the body? The nurse said, no problem. She took her body. Then she came back shortly afterwards. Yes. She said to her, I apologize. I cannot wash it. I said, why? I said, was she ill when she died? She said to her, no. She said to her, then what are all the blue marks all over her body? She said to her, those marks are not the marks of an illness, they're the marks of the whips of Shiva and salt. How many whips came across the body of the daughters of Rasulullah? I'll leave you with this line, my dear brothers and sisters. When the captives were taken from Sham to Karbala, Zainab went by the grave of Abu Abdullah. She sat by his grave and she said, you gave me a number of amanas to look after. I brought all of them back with me, except Ruqayya. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Raise your hands, my dear brothers and sisters. Ya Allah, raise us with Muhammad and al-Muhammad. Raise us with the Imam of our time, Imam Sahib al-Asri wal-Zaman. The originators of this majlis, Imam al-Mahdi Center, may Allah give them the strength to continue serving Muhammad and al-Muhammad. Ya Allah, provide us with the shafa'ah of Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam and the ziyarah of Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam. For the last 4 years, there is